Where I come from, son, we work hard, fly flags real high in our front yard. Say sir and ma'am, and we pray before meals, and we never let the government pay our bills. Hard work and hustle, American muscle. If you wanna bail out to get the hell out, cause we ain't scared and we don't ever run. And damn right, I'm proud of where I come from.
Don't you dare go running down my little town where I grew up, and I won't cuss your city lights. If you ain't ever took a ride around and cruise right through the heart of my town, anything you say would be a lie. We may live our lives a little slowly, but that don't mean I wouldn't be proud to show you where I come from. There's an old plowboy out turning up dirt where I come from. There's a preacher man in a cowboy shirt where I come from. Where a couple boys fight in the parking lot. No, nobody's gonna call the cops where I come from. See that door right there? Man, I swear that it ain't never been locked, and I guarantee that it never will. That old man right there in the rocking chair at the courthouse square, I'll tell you now, he could buy your fancy car with $100 bills. Don't let those faded overalls fool you. He made his millions without one day of schooling. Where I come from, there's a pickup truck with the tailgate down where I come from. The pine trees are singing a song of the South where I come from. That little white church is gonna have a crowd, and yeah, I'm pretty damn proud of where I come from.
Got the seat laid back, lad boys on the track. Got me coming around the corner, big 38 squalling. Party people with me, got the river banks calling.
Gun rack in the back, like they shoot my guns. And I burn my trash in the back with a drum porch swinging when it's raining. Love to work in the summer, work boost my roots, that's where I'm from.
Where I come from, there's an old plowboy